Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a buyer intent niche that actually converts. Think gadgets, beauty, or tools priced $20, $200 with decent commissions. Once decided, create or ready your Google/YouTube account and enroll in at least one affiliate program. Make sure affiliate links are allowed. Then batch plan shorts. Each one solves a single problem, shows a quick demo, and ends with a direct CTA. Record 3 variations per product, so you can test which hook and CTA performs best. You need to craft each short for speed and clarity. Grab attention in the first 1 to 2 seconds, add captions, and keep framing safe for 16:9 cropping. Once done, place a short CTA overlay and pin the affiliate link in the comment or description with a UTM for tracking. Make sure to /B test thumbnails, hooks, and posting times across at least 10-20 videos so you can learn what boosts CTR, watch time, and ultimately conversion rates. You scale by batching dozens of shorts each week and repurposing clips from long-form content. Reinvest a portion of earnings into boosting top performers. Make sure you follow platform rules, always disclose affiliate links and use FTC-compliant language, and avoid medical or deceptive claims. If results drop, audit thumbnails, rework the opening hook, and pause underperformers, then retest your top 3 variables. Troubleshooting tip: if clicks but no sales,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.